clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures, light the way.
Hey everybody! Wednesday night, baby! How are you? I'm Steve Kalayjian and welcome to the Asia session sponsored by My Funded Futures. How are you, everybody? The number one prop firm out there. Damn straight. The number one prop firm. Unbelievable. How is everybody today? Swing entry, Bryce, Vanessa B, Cranston, Brave Day, ES Futures, Ashen. What's going on, Futures Trader, Bible? What's going on? Bible with Bell, Barbie, get in there. JL Trading, Linda NQ is here. All right, we got Denny, Double L, Primo, Sean. What's going on, Sean? Rod Trades in the house. D Hall, here he is. Wesley NQ. J Boogie, love that name. Chizard, get in there. Josh, Baby Goat. J Dubs, the Juice Flag. Son of Wall Street, the same characters here. Marzina, Spectre Trading. Who am I missing here? BR Martin. Britt Martin, how are you? Karen McMullen, how are you? We got Brian. We got Rick Plant, Son of Wall Street, True. Mitt, what's going on? Zank, Uncertain. Where's this thing going here? Where's ZETA? What's another great one? Oh, yeah. What a short up there. Look at this, Zeta. All right. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Miss K is in the house. Panos. ¿Qué pasa? Panos. What's up, Panos? All right. Panos is in the house here. All right. Okay. Theo, Brave Day. Let's just see what's going on. All right. Now we're in a negative trend here on the NASDAQ, but you could take a scalp long here if they get down to the 25 to 65. Good evening, everybody. Hello, Corp Trades. Yeah. All right. All right, don't know. I'm looking for more. I'm really bearish here. Sanders Smith here. And they're off at Belmont. All right, there they go. All right, there they go. Let's cancel the buy range here. Got a double red short. If they get down to the 20 to 60 range, maybe take a scalp long. This is a double red short. See the double red? The 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 60 on the NASDAQ. Okay? That's why you wanted to short that if it pushed up. All right. Gold here. Boom. That was a nice short there on the NASDAQ. 85. That's a double red short here. Look at that. Boom. 88. That would have been a great short there. All right. And I'm really very bearish here. You got Micron down on the lows here. You got SanDisk down on the lows. You got Western Digital kabooshed, right? Absolutely. I think they're going to get absolutely kabooshed. We got the scale out of here over 60 to 70 on the NASDAQ. You had the non-farm payrolls on Friday. And again, if you truly look here on the pattern, well, we had a fourth gap today, right? And I actually said down on the day when they were up big, right? So you had this gap here. This is the first gap, second gap, third gap, and here's the fourth gap. And obviously we filled that gap right there, right? You see that? Bear Trader, get in there. Okay. Hey Vlad, what's going on? Lord, Georgie, yep, told you Dell, Penna, and Palantir was gonna get kabooshed. Yes, sir. Okay. I got them all. I got the Palantir. I didn't trade the Dell or the PANW, but I did. What's PANW do? Let's watch here. PANW down 4. That's not really a cabooshin, but what's the high here? 76. Yes, it did get cabooshed. Okay. Palo Alto Networks starts killing out the longs here on the Nasdaq. Dell, what did Dell do here? Dell's another one. 85. Oh, wow. Okay. How about the Palantir? Cabooshed. Look at this Palantir. 66. I was shorting over 65 and a half. Evian, how are you? G. Peralta. Loli. What's going on, everybody here? Nasdaq. I'm out. That's it. Okay. Oscar, what's going on? Ethan, Bali, Bala, Miss Beatree, Colorful Craft Vibes. Here you go. Palantir, what a cabooshin. Oh, we buy what's going on. We buy Renzo. Like that name. Wesley, what's going on? How long does it take you should have got it that night or the next day? If you didn't get it, that means you didn't create a My Funded Futures account. Now, remember, when you post the link in here, okay?
Yeah, I was just looking for it.
What?
I was just looking
He didn't post it yet.
Okay.
When he posts it's a yellow highlight,
Okay.
you and your father have to sign up. It doesn't hurt. I mean, you win, you win. You don't, you don't.
Yeah.
I gotta wait before we short him. All right. All right, nice little long there. How about this gold? I was just showing Nicholas here before you guys came on board. You can see the 15-minute time frame and the 30-minute. I was showing Nick here that when gold was pushing up to new highs here, okay, right here, you can see how gold was pushing up 43.41. You can see the new high here. The MACD did not confirm the high on the 15, and the MACD sure as hell did not confirm the high on the 30-minute. So you have a negative divergence in a positive trend. Okay? Everybody understand that? You can tell us about gold? I don't understand what you're asking me. All right. Miss Trend, Surfer, how are you? All right. Wow, we had a really great day today, man. I shorted Google on the highs, Amazon on the highs, AMD on the highs. Jesus, what a day. Okay. Let me see. Well, I think I don't agree with that on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like you have the 30-minute time frame here, Lord Giorgio. You should come. We should work together, Lord Giorgio. I'll put up percentage points. Forget it. Beautiful bull flag here on the 60-minute. You can see the yellow dots, very bullish into the trend. I think the 60-minute time frames are going to turn up here. Yes, sir. Okay. Got to buy NQ. The 15s are turning up. Yeah, but the 30s are turning down. Right? The 30s are turning down. Oh my God, I forgot to play the Powerball tonight. Damn it. It's your fault.
No, I told you.
You did?
Yeah.
786 million.
Yeah. They draw it.
11 o'clock?
I think so. I think they. I'll double check for you.
So at 10 o'clock, I get the hell out of here. I can go play.
Yeah.
Or is it 10 o'clock the cutoff? Look up to see.
Actually, I don't know. Yeah.
Look up to see what time. Gotta go play this Powerball. All right. See the 30-minute time frames here. All right. Well, we called a long down there, but wait. Kabushin, hey. Bodine, how are you? True 6668. 2 times. Smurf trades. Get in there. Smurf trades. There goes the gold. What I tell you? When I told you if the gold got down to 24. So gold had this nice long here. Jeez, I just took my eye off it. I told Nick to get it. Here. Just a beautiful long here. Right into the 10 bar. Boom. Wow, 24. Just ripped 10. Jesus. All right. Oh, there's another one. Next! Right into the 10 bar. Double blue. First pullback on the double blue into the positive MACD. The oscillator got down to 34, but because it pushed up, end of bar. But we'll watch it. How? What time did they say?
10 p.m. is the cutoff time.
I knew it.
Diana buys some tickets.
What's that?
Yeah, Diana buys tickets.
Okay. Hey, Melvin, what's going on? P-Long, Tris Trading. Alex, what's going on? Adam Daz. Ray, what's going on? Ray, checking in. Whew. There goes the NASDAQ off the lows. There you go. There you go. All right. I don't know how this market is still holding up with SanDisk. I think SanDisk is going to break 1,000. I think SanDisk goes to 750, 800. Then you back up the truck. What is gold up to? Gold is up. I asked my friend that. I said, gold rallied 300. Can you explain it to me? He said, yep. He said, lower rates. And he felt that the market overall, okay, he felt that the market doesn't think they're going to cut interest rates. So that's that. He doesn't think they're going to raise rates. Raise rates. Okie dokie. So let's just see if we. And that was a double red short right here. Got up to 600. Geez, I gotta leave this thing up. Stop moving this thing, Steven. Gee, I just missed a short. I said the double red short. All right. Damn it. Anybody from my community got the double red short? That was a really nice one. Good job, Catnip. Right? That was beautiful. The double red, the 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. That's beautiful. Get in there. That's beautiful. Get in there. I'm not understanding why 2 different charts. NASDAQ 15 indicator number 4 is different. One is positive, one's a negative. Where do you see that? Mine's negative on the 15. Where do you see that? Oh my God, what a drop. 40 points. On my work, I'm negative on the 15, 30, and 60 on the NASDAQ. Hey, Malmise, how are you? The God, OMHV, 420, Saya Trades, what's going on? Monkey Secret. There was a man named Oscar. Oh, brother. I think this gold's going to get kabooshed. Either 45. All right. Let's see what they're going to do here. Buys look like they want to roll over. Anybody have any questions here? Anybody? Albano? Anybody? Uncertain Fractals? How are you? Wallace Capital? How are you? JL, what's going on? I think this is the short on the double red. You really got it off the 3-minute time frame, so I should leave the 3 up here. That was beautiful here on the 3 over 600. What's going on, Diego? What's up, my brother? What's up, my brother? What about gold SK? I'm waiting. I think gold's, I'm looking to short gold and buy gold. The dollar index looks bullish. I want to see gold at 3,600. I want to see gold at 3,600. That's what I want to see. Get in there. You got to make the ticket run for Powerball. Get in there. All right. This gold gets down to the 18 to 25 one more time. I probably look to buy it. I'm really bearish on the gold. I mean, the 5s may get one more push up here. Up there is. Just hit 25, ran to 31. I don't like gold. I think gold's going down. You can buy Powerball tickets online? You can? Never heard that. Why? I thought there was you need to thank you. You could buy them in Florida though.
We would have to go to the store. We would have to go to the store. We can't buy it.
Because you're Illinois resident?
Pardon?
Because you're Illinois resident?
Yeah.
I never heard that before. Oh my God, what a caboose on the 5. What a short up at 600. I said that. Pac-Man, you get that short up there on the double red on the NASDAQ? Hey, Plunky, you. Hey, Sparta. EF. Rick Francis, what's going on, Rick Francis? Ugh, there goes the gold up $8. I canceled the gold on the double blue. I said it twice to buy it down. 3 times it got down below 25.5. I'm really exhausted from today. I'm tired. A lot of trading, a lot going on. They're not going to hike. They're not going to hike. Papa Trump, he's not going to allow them to hike. Are you crazy? This guy thinks he's coming in tough. This guy is, He's got to deal with Papa Trump. Okay, what's longer term? What's the definition of longer term? If you want to, okay, I'm bearish till the end of October. Okay, then I'm bullish in the fourth quarter. Okay, they're doing nothing with rates. I agree. They're doing absolutely nothing with rates. Period. End of story. I gotta get new glasses. These glasses are killing me. RDJ, what's going on? They should hike. They should hike. Gold just ran 10. Go, Andrew, you didn't buy the double blue on gold, Andrew? I agree. There should be, in my personal terms of control. No, I know he doesn't. Somebody tell me they bought that double blue on gold. What a short on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ just dropped 400. I don't know about that. You're telling me if he loses the House and the Senate, you're still going to be bullish, David? No. 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 Risk on? Could be. And tomorrow I'll be on the My Fund of Futures TV from 10:30 to 11:30. So just to let you know. Oh, yes. S&P is making new lows. That was a beautiful double red. I said I'm bullish after I said I'm bullish between now and October, and I'm bearish between now and October, and I'm bullish after the end of October. Man, I'm tired. I was like, just ran 30, 40. We won the war. Just ran 30 here. Nasdaq can get over 600. Gold just ran 12. What a beautiful pattern on the gold. Right into the 10 bar. I'd short some gold up here. We hit 40. If gold gets to 43.40 to 43.48, I'd short it. Oh, Jesus, just drop. Nasdaq. Let's see if the Nasdaq can get up about 800, 600 again. Gold just got kabooshed. Hey, Jessica, how are you? Hey, Jessica. Right. Ah, Jesus. Gold just dropped 7. Jesus Christ. Again, making new highs, the non-confirmations on the 15s and the 30s. Moon Boy, congratulations, Moon Boy. I think AOC is going to be the candidate. How's that? I don't think Newsom's going to win. Congratulations, everybody. Moonboy just got a payout. There you go, from My Funded Futures. Great job, Moonboy. This is what happens in the month of August, man. I mean, today, what, from 2:30 to 4 was dot, 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 dot. Right? Yeah, no comment. Khalib, Michael, 71, tell us, hey, what's up? Linda and Q. Now I'm going to wait a little higher. I think this goals are short between the 340 and the 348. I was watching some crazy stuff tonight, man. I don't want to get into politics or anything, but I don't understand it, man. I don't understand. This is the greatest country in the world, and now we got people talking about no more president, no more Senate, no more cops, no more ICE, open up all the borders. Are these people? I don't know who would vote for this. This is insane. I just don't get it. I don't want. I just don't want to talk about politics, but it's scary. Like they really believe it. No police. Let everybody run amok. No ICE. No police. No nothing. Open borders. People be getting murdered and killed and raped and pillaged, and I just don't get it. What are these people thinking? No, I don't. Not at all. I guess they hate our country. If this NASDAQ gets up to the 600, 605, up to 35.40, I'd short it. What a long on the gold. Gold just ran 17 on that bull flag. You have a cousin who has that? Oh my God. How do you deal with him? I don't know. Listen, I wish everybody the best, man, but all right, there it is. Enter to win. What's that, David? Is that for the My Funded Futures? There you go. 15 is just trying to turn up. Yeah, My Funded Futures does instant payout. How far is your stop? If I do 05 up to 35.40, it's 55. Oh, okay. So there it is. They put in our Discord the form to join. Okay. Nice bear flag here. Let's see if we get one more push down. S&Ps are not even moving. Here we go. NASDAQ look to cover anywhere between the 85 and 600 range. Oh, David. Okay, so Badia says, hey, okay, and please, look, I said I don't want to talk politics, but if you're going to act like that, Badius, you're going to be banned, okay? Badius says Democrats want police and closed borders too. Steve, okay, you don't know what you're talking about. You sound dumb. Okay, you're banned. How's that? Okay, you're banned. Okay, it's not a question. I don't want to talk politics. This is stupid. But, okay, I'm not going to be disrespected by you. You're banned. Aaron, can you ban him, please? Thank you. Next. All right, NASDAQ's dropping. NASDAQ's dropping. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, NASDAQ. Here we go. Okay, there you go. There you go. Hope you're short. I told you. So the S&Ps dropped 3, and the NASDAQ just dropped 35, 40. See the difference on an Asian session? Right? Hey, Lone Wolf. Jennifer, great job, Jennifer. And I wasn't talking politics. I said there are certain people that believe that, and I just don't understand the concept of how they could want that, okay? I wasn't talking politics, okay? I wasn't talking about a candidate. I wasn't talking about anything, okay? So you need to be banned, okay? Because I'm not going to be disrespected by you. I'm telling you now. I don't care how long you've been in here or what. I'm not dealing with it. Period. Okay? 45 years in the game, and I got to deal with that? Are you freaking bananas? No way. Ain't happening. Okay? All right, gold's dropping if you're short. Look to cover the short on the gold below 37. So the NASDAQ was a double red short. You had the sell divergences on the gold on the new highs. 2 phenomenal great trades. S&Ps just dropped 5. NASDAQ dropped 50. Gold dropped 8. Okay? There you go. I agree. I agree. I didn't say a name. I didn't, whatever. It's not worth it. All right, NASDAQ just dropped 50. There you go, Danny. Get in there. That's a beautiful double red short. You get that short? What were you doing? What are you doing?
I did the
Yeah, but trading takes priority,
yeah, I understand.
right?
I'm
Did you get that short? Do you see what I'm said? The S&Ps dropped 3,
Yeah.
maybe 4. The NASDAQ, really? You see what I'm saying? Okay. I think you got a little bit more juice on the NASDAQ on the Asia session than the S&Ps. So, and look at gold. Gold just dropped from 43 down to like 32. Okay. Thank you, Dead Cat Bounce. All right. Well, that's it, man. I agree, Little Roo. That was annoying. Why would the market rally when you have a negative, you have a set strategy, you have SanDisk, Micron, WDC down on the chip sector? Why would the market rally? I mean, I'm just curious here, right? Hey, Shaid. Yeah, I am, David. 5:30 a.m. You have to watch the stream the whole time. That's Aaron's rule, and he's 100% right. What a short! What a short! What a short! Gold drop. There you go. All right. What a short! My God. Well, I think I'm on till 7 though. So you see that strategy right there? So you had the new high on gold, the MACD's in confirm on the 15 and the 30. Boom. Okay. You had the double red short here on the NASDAQ futures, the 5 reversing to sell. Here was the first bounce. Here was the second bounce. That's why I was calling the short. Those are set strategies. Okay. All right. This gold is pushing up to new highs here. I'd short the gold 44 to 51.52. Okay. What's causing? Do you not see SanDisk, Micron, Western Digital getting kabooshed? Oh. No, WDC, Western Digital. Wow, Lone Wolf, really? Lone Wolf, can you call me and tell me 914-500-7484? That's amazing. I love that, Lone Wolf. Ryan, you see what Lone Wolf, Aaron? You see what he wrote? I coded myself a strategy that puts all my orders in one at a time. So when you call a range, I click on the level and it does a spread of the micros 1, 2, 2, 6, 8. Works amazing. And then the stop is 10. No, the stop should be 15 above, not 10. Okay. What's up, NASDAQ or NS? Oh my God. SanDisk is a very big chip stock in the NASDAQ. Okay. In the, I mean, the you got the semis, you got the whole market in this, right? Wow. That's awesome, Lone Wolf. All right, gold. Look at the cover of the gold here. 40 to 45 if you're short. You should also be trading gold. You should look at me. You should have one account for index futures at night and one account for gold.
Okay.
Look, you could look at the gold, the 2 shorts, the 2 longs, and the 2 shorts. 6. Sometimes gold you can get 5 to 15 trades in a night on the gold.
Okay.
That what?
I said, geez.
Yeah, absolutely. But you should not trade this. In my personal opinion, you should have the account separated.
Yeah.
Okay. Today,
Time.
get over here. Give me that. Hey, I'm proud of you. And I don't give out compliments. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay? No, I'm serious.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay? That's a good job.
Mhm.
It's starting to click.
Yeah.
Okay? It's starting to click.
Mhm.
I told you, you potentially, okay, the potential you have. It's just, I just think you're a little bit too rigid at times.
Mhm.
Just be loosey-goosey more, right?
Mhm.
Be loosey-goosey. When I'm shorting AMD and I'm shorting Micron and SanDisk and you see me, you don't see me like this. You gotta be loosey-goosey.
Mhm.
Just be a little bit more at ease to yourself. Have more confidence,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
That's it. Next. Come on, let's get those likes up, baby. Loosey-goosey. That's a t-shirt. These 60-minute time frames, they keep bouncing off this 50. You got to watch here. Let's go, guys. Like the stream. Got to be loosey-goosey, RDJ and Apple. Ryan, I think Ryan does have that, right? I'm getting the t-shirts made. There you go, loosey-goosey. There you go. Send me that. See if this gold can get kabooshed here. XF, double XF. Oh my God. Double X. I think I'm gonna do like medium, large, and extra large, and maybe 2X large on 10. If you want to take a scalp long on the Nasdaq, I mean, just a scalp long, maybe you can go like the 510 to 550 or the 05 to 45. I would be very careful though. You're in a negative trend here. Diego, send me that. There you go, loosey goosey. I used to tell my son that all the time. If your dad, we're playing a really big team, I'm like, who cares? Get in there and hit it. I don't want to hear nothing. I don't have 3XLs. That's a what do you call it? That's a bed sheet. Oh my God, look at them go. Danny, that's a bed sheet. It'll probably cost me $60 just to make it. Loosey Goosey was a feline? No. Yeah, I need 3XXX large. Click. That's what I would hear. Can you imagine? What I'll do is I'll get a big bed sheet with the hun just put over you. Oh my God. Long what? Do you not realize you're in a negative trend? Well, all right, I cancel the long there. I mean, you see what I'm saying? Then look at me for a second.
Yeah.
The S&Ps just ran 1. The NASDAQ just ran 35. You see the difference in the Asia session? I mean, I'm not saying the S&Ps don't go bananas sometimes, okay? I'm saying you get more juice for the buck.
Yeah.
Now, if I didn't tell you to trade the NASDAQ futures today, you're lucky to be up $20 on the S&P. And I walked out that when we were coming in, I said, try the NASDAQ tonight because I just have a feeling you'll get more juice in the game than, right? I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, capiche. There you go. Get in here, Dan. Dan, I want to meet your friend. I'm going to have a night. Get in here. Which indicator is the first to tell you a negative trend could reverse? I would probably think it's indicator 4. Okay? And you have to look at the yellow dots. Here goes the gold. And the other thing is, you'd probably be up about $700 just in gold. Right? Now, you make $1,000 a night in gold, and you can make $1,000 a day. That's $500,000 a year, bro. Don't ever lose reality. And I'm telling you, that's like just pick it. If you don't make it that, just on the opening today, when they pushed up to 30.70, and I said, short the world. I was shorting Google, Amazon. I was shorting AMD. I couldn't say the word short fast enough. And they, next thing you know, 30,000. Boom. They dropped 160 points. Right then and there, your day's over.
Yeah.
Pack up the car, go to Walmart, go Costco, get a hot dog. It's over. Okay? Ay. They just dropped. Nathaniel, how are you? The Pro Trader S. Krantz. Capiche? That's the shirt. I want to drink and dance all night. All right, they just got cabooshed. You understand we're in a negative trend? Okay? You understand we're in a negative trend? I don't know if it's a scalp or a pattern could last up anywhere from 1 to 8 bars. So if it's a 5 minute up to 40 minutes, it could be 1 minute up to 40. If it's a scalp, anywhere from 1 minute to 9 minutes, or 1 minute to 15 minutes, depending on the time. If it's a 3-minute or a 5-minute. I want to drink and dance all night. Gold, that's short the gold here. 50, 43.50 and a half up to 58 and a half. Gold's getting out of control. Let's see where this gold's going here. Gold's going to get cabooshed. Oh my God. I bought a ton of this AEM. I got to move along. All right, gold. Look to cover the gold below 51 if you're short. They're going to get kabooshed. Every time I have gone short, so has Steven. I didn't realize I trade the same strategy. Oh, okay. Use shorts? Your thought? What do you mean? I think the market's going to get killed. I think the market's going to get killed. There goes the gold dropping. See? There's another $4 on the gold. So what you should do tomorrow, if you have gold market data on there, live data, practice on the gold. Just practice, right?
Yeah.
You have another asset to trade. Just what happens if one day we come in here, dot, but gold's going, you're going to sit here and do nothing, right? You have another asset to trade. That goes for you too, right? Okay? Doesn't mean, look at short, one long, two long, short, 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 short. 7 trades in gold. Okay?
All right, it's that time.
How many?
276.
Come on. We should have 5,000 people watching this stream every night. 276. All right. I'm going to reward number 2.
Corb Trades.
Well, there it is. Get in there. There you go, Corb Trades. Get in there. Get in there. Gold, just look at the gold drop $6. See? Get in there, Corb Trades.
All right, next.
Number 100.
JL Trading 111.
Whoa, JL. There you go, JL. There it is, JL. Get in there. There you go, JL. Be my fund of futures, baby. Get in there.
All right.
Get in there.
Next.
Baba, get in there. Number 147.
Egret D. Egret D.
Never heard this one before.
Nope, me either.
Wallace, you have to go to My Fund of Futures TV and sign up, okay? Egrets? No. Going once? No?
Yep, here. They
Oh,
said here.
Oh, okay.
I
Sorry.
think, yeah, right there. Awesome. Yep.
Good job.
Okay, so I couldn't see it. It was too
All
small.
right, no problem.
All right. One more.
Let's go 204.
Mextraduin. I have no idea. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, I can't talk. Mex Trade Win.
Oh, I see him here.
Mex Trade Win.
You can short some
Y'all
gold
need to put
here.
like spaces for your name. Like, how people supposed to know that?
You can look to short this gold here. 43.55 up to 62.3. 3, no misses. Actually, go 54 up to 62. Is he here?
I think so. Oh, yeah, next trade win. Oh, is it next? No, it says Mex on my screen.
Baba
but
Trading,
okay, maybe
SK, I'm here. You just need to need to find me. You're right. I do.
All right, back to you.
All right. Oh, they're gonna get kabooshed. Today I gave a monster hedge fund the short on the S&Ps. What was the high? 78.14, 78.15, and they went monster short. They called me up. Oh my God, this is SK, unbelievable. What a call. They shorted the spiders at and the S&Ps. They shorted the spiders 776.50, I believe. I said, they said, what do you think? I said, short the world. And he said, okay. He said, but Sanders, I said, for today, short the world. He said, what's your first target? I said, 572. Let me see what the high was here. I said, look, 776.50. And they shorted. I said, up to, what did I say, 576.50 to 577.50. They got off a half a good position here. And then I said, the first target was 572. And I believe they covered 3/4. I said, you got Sanders at the end of the day. I would just be flat. I mean, you're up. What are you up? I mean, you're up, what, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6 points on the spiders on gigantic size. Thank you, son of Wall Street. He said, thanks, SK. Oh my God. I had Google short, Amazon short. What else I had? AMD short. Oh my God. AMD, I think I made, I can't even tell you what I made AMD in. The 1, 2, 3, 4 trade. The third short, I showed an AMD over 500. I think 540. The high was 551.30. I covered AMD down $11. I swear to God, it was that fast. Right? Were you here? Remember that this morning?
Yeah.
That was wild. Wild. I think it was right here. Let me see if I'll show it to you here. What a freaking bear flag. Oh my God. When you see, let me just teach you this pattern here. When you see, this is the first short drop, second short drop, third short drop. Here it is, fourth, right, 501, right here. I shorted here, dropped, and I shorted again above 501, 501.30, 501.40, high 502. Look at this beautiful bear flag. You're pushing up, 80Xs are rising, negative MACD. I literally covered at 589. 589. Look at the low, 85. I was spitting blood. I went to 85 and change. But you know what? You make $11, $12 on a stock position like that, right, Danny? Over. OVA. Over. This is a beautiful pattern right here. Beautiful. Especially pushing up when you have the negative MACDs on the 30, the 15, and the 5. Oh, my God. AMD's 479. AMD's going back below 400. Remember the low here on AMD, 422. I bought the world. I mean, I didn't keep it. Look at this. This gap will get filled, 430. See it right here? Low 422. Oh, 424? No, it was 4. I remember 422, but I don't know. Yep. I like to drink and dance all night. What a bear flag. Oof, at the end of the day. If the Nasdaq, okay, here comes the gold dropping again. See, that's like 8 trades in gold.
I got it.
Practicing? Okay, how much up on the gold? Gotta be $90, right?
Factoring, it doesn't show me those things.
$280 on. Okay, there you go. I'm telling you, you could be up over $1,000. You have 2 separate accounts, right? Jeff, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Gold's dropping. I want to take a scalp long on the NASDAQ. I hate to say it, but 500 to 540. So you could take a scalp long on the NASDAQ. S&Ps are up 8. How? I have no idea. Gold's going to get kabooshed. I mean, I'm scalping into a negative trend. 1530, and there goes the gold drop. Oh my God. Diego, you got to send me out. NASDAQ's going right back down, I'm telling you. Gold's dropping here. You still short? Okay, lower your stop. These looking weak. Yep. Well, I heard lots of. I know they were going to get killed. I said scalp long. If you're long, sell 35 to 40, 45 out. Here we go. Just scalp it. I heard lots of people. I think December. Literal. Well, I'm not that way. I got to move along. I like to drink and dance all night. There you go, 300 likes. It is nothing but non-confirmations up there. Look at this beautiful bear flag. Oof. Oof. This guy jumped. 679. Oh my God. I'd scalp the gold again here. 60 up to 68 and a half. What? Why are you bullish? I don't understand why you're bullish. SanDisk is getting kabooshed. Western Digital is getting the kabooshed. Micron's getting kabooshed. Why are you bullish? You Yonez. I don't get it. That's why I said when it pushed up to 39.40 out. They're gonna break 500 here. I got to move along. I like to drink and dance all night. Z. That's correct for December. Oh, look at the gold drop. Cover go under 55.5. What a drop. See? There's 9 trades in gold right there. Right? See what I'm saying? Oh my God. Look at the gold drop. 6. Wow. Short some more what? 7. There you go. 750 times 4. Take care, we buy. Wow, what a drop. Here you go. Nasdaq's going to break 900. Anybody short that gold up there? Anybody? Crude very bullish. Oh no. We got the non-farm payroll tomorrow. Oh my God, gold just dropped $10. Anybody short that gold? Oh my God. Wow, what is, again, why am I shorting the gold? The non-confirmation, right? See why? The gold non-confirmation on the 15 to 30s. It was a non-confirmation. Well, Nasdaq's going to break. Oh my God, gold's down 13. Who shorted that gold? Oh my God. All I can say, it's Christmas in August. That's the second time I said that. Look at it. Look at it drop. What a short off that 30-minute time frame. Good Lord. Everybody wants to short the world. Somebody made that song up for me and I can't find it. Can anybody help me make that song, but just take out everybody loves to rule the world, but short the world? Can somebody help me make that? Somebody made it. It was perfect. I can't find it. Everybody wants to short the world. And everybody should be following me on Instagram at official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, X, and TikTok, and also LinkedIn. Bear Trader comes up with some crazy memes and skits for me. Thank you, Bear Trader, for helping me out. Unbelievable. No, I don't have it. I thought so. Oh, it's not breaking 9. All right. If the NASDAQ gets down to the 475, 505, I would take a scalp long. I don't think. Welcome to the party. Money, Caddyshack. Running down the house. Nope, I don't have it. I have room for it. I don't have it, though. All right. Great night here. All right, NASDAQ just ran 20. How much up on the gold? Roughly. Bad? Right?
Yeah.
This gold can get one more push up here. No, Bear Trader. Bear Trader does them on Instagram. Well, sends them to me. I post them. Hey, Michael, how are you? Linda and Q, how you doing? ES Futures, Saya. JL, congratulations, JL. Time for a win. Get in there. Watch the tired. His gold should start rolling over here on the 30. See if we can get one more push here. Wow, gold just got absolutely kaboosh, 60 to 46.
I'm trying to get in that way.
It didn't get, it just got up to 46 just now. Sorry, I just got up to no, 58. Never got to 58. You're way too up there. You know? Again, and if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email. I stream every Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4, so please text me to my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. Gold, down 20, off the highs. Huh? Well, I said it's going to go down. The morning was, you guys, please watch my podcast also on my SK Trading YouTube. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. See the patterns for today. Right. Oh my God. Gold down 20. The guy who bought gold at 43.60, he jumped. $8.30 to 4. Cover index futures, commodity futures, ETFs, and stocks. And if you want to do some options, you do some options trading, but on patterns only. If you bought the 05s here, just kick them out above 15 to 25 on the NASDAQ. All right. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh my God, I'm so tired. 45 minutes to go. Okay, now the Nasdaq's going to break. If the Nasdaq gets down to the 450 to 490, I look to buy it for a scalp long. Again, you're in a negative trend. Here goes the Nasdaq breaking 500. There you go. Okay, there's the link right there to sign up. You see it, Jeff? You see it right there on the My Fund the Futures YouTube. Where's the bear? My damn straight. Uh 29,000 tonight. I don't think about tonight. That's not the link? Oh, sorry. What is that yellow thing then? Oh, okay. I'm so tired. I can't keep up. Oh. Oh, that's you talking? Got it. Sorry. If we get this 490, ugh, I forgot that. Oh, 92 is the low. It'll hit 490. Kabooshed! I think gold's going to drop again. Absolutely. You mean today, or I think gold's going back down to 4,000? I think there's a very good chance by October gold will be below 4,000, and then I would probably most likely look to, if gold got down 3,700, 3,850, I would just back up the truck. That's just me, because when they start cutting interest rates, what's going to happen. Boink. And that's not going to happen until sometime mid 2027. That's just my opinion. What I think about ES for the London session, I just can't believe it's up. If it probably gets down to the 40 to 46 level, I probably look to buy it against a deep oversold condition on the 30. But I don't know what's keeping it up. I think gold should break 4,000. That's 500 points from here. 540 points. That's a lot. They got down to like 39.80 on the gold. Yeah, 490. Silver. I bought a ton of silver. I bought ton of SLVs down there. But look at this gold. Look at this NASDAQ. NASDAQ, when we got here, dropped over 100 points here. Scale out between the 485 and the 500 level. Gold's down $31. Ramiel, how are you? Wow, this gold is down 24 off the highs. Unbelievable. All right. Oh my God, look at this gold. 43.60. Yes, Aaron. Yes. Wow, look at that. Oh my God, Arton. That was such a non-confirmation. It was amazing on that pattern. Oh. There you go, futures farmer. 42.98. I have no idea. I'll be in bed. Copper? Really, Krispy Kreme? What are you doing this to me for? What's the symbol for copper? I'm so tired. Was it? Oh my God, I'm so tired. My brain hurts. HG, is it? Copper. Thanks, David. Oh my God, I had a brain freeze there for a minute. You know that? I think copper is going to get killed. Look at this is not sustainable. It's got 50 cents to the downside in no time. Aaron is more tired than Brave Day. Look at the monthly. I'm not saying I'm bad. I'm saying it's going to drop. I remember down here, my friend was panicking. Where is it? Right here? Yeah. When Papa Trump announced the tariffs. I'm getting killed in copper. Remember silver? They killed our silver. They absolutely killed our silver. I made $36,000 in one night in silver. Look at this. They killed our 55. Oh my God, they killed us. I think it drops first. Now it's like the gold just ran $10 like nothing. All right, enough with the copper. Back to the NASDAQ. Go back to the NQ. Yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby, yay. I say gold was awesome tonight. I think this was one of the best gold nights in probably over a month. You know? That's what I think. You done? You can raise it. Raise it. Raise it. There's a thing on the right.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, go underneath the desk. No. And underneath the desk. Is there a lever? Hold on. Let me help. Oh my God. Hold on a second. Let me just get over there. It's better
It's
to.
gonna pull down.
It's better to stand. Kospi is down 5%. Love it. Yeah, well, you should have kicked it out when it got up to 89 on the NASDAQ. You're probably heading there. Yep. 420. 30,074. Guys, I'm so close, and I will be requesting my life's second payout in CFD 10,000 account. Who's got a CFD 10,000 account? That's news to me. Who does that? Well, this gold's down 25 off the high. No, ES futures. You look at everything separately. No, you look at everything separately. Great job, Shahid. Jesus. You closed my silver short. Wow. You were short silver at 63. Where's it now? 62? All right, NASDAQ, there they go. If you didn't kick them out, they just got up to 80. I would have kicked these out here. Right? Gold's going to get another push up. 15-minute time frame. All right, gold just. Hey, Solomon. Hey, Solomon. How are you, Baba? There you go. I'd be scaling out of longs if you didn't kick him out already. That was so long. Damn it! There goes the gold again. Shit. All right, Nasdaq just went from 48 to 53. Deeply oversold on the 30 and the 15s. That's it. Bear trader, get in there. Get the long. Why not? Okay. You're sitting right next to me. You could ask me, right? And the reason why I said it is because the 30s with beyond the 30s had a 2 oversold reading, the 15s had a 1 oversold reading. I was just looking for a scalp long. Now the 80Xs are rising. I'm not saying that I'm looking for 100 handles, but you know, I mean, it got down to 71, traded up to 79, got down to 55, ran up to 95. Not bad, you know. Wow, look at the NASDAQ. Wow, you get the long lead, Jeff?
No, I'm looking.
Too late now.
No, I mean, I'm looking.
Again, as I told your son, you should have two separate accounts.
Yeah.
Again, anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and your email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Diego, you get that long on the S&P? Is that 48.49? All right. Nice little bear flag. Little push down coming. Right back down on that bear flag.
All right, give me three more numbers.
3 more?
Yeah.
Number 72.
Milt, YNHO. Milton Ho, I guess. Yep.
Here?
Next.
All right, number let's go number 159. 159.
Seven rank first. Seven rank first. Yep. Next.
Okay. Let's do number 240. 240.
That is Jessica Organic Mama.
Oh my God, Jessica, get in there! Good job, Jessica. Nice long on the gold.
Yep. All right, back to you.
Okay. All right. Wow, the gold's really, what a long rally 20 on the gold. Off the fives. Jesus. So when you have the ADXs rising, let the gold get down to here. Wow. 33. Just ran 20. You'll probably take a scalp short on the gold here. 57 up to 65. Oh boy, it just dropped. 57 to 65 if it gets up there. Hope it's, that was a quick short. That was some short on the gold, right into the negative MACDs on the 5. Happened really. All right, I canceled the short. All right, so the 15s and 30s got deeply oversold there on the NASDAQ. We got one more push up here. If this gold gets one more push up, I think it's short. You do have the 15s turning up here, though. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day, oh, geez, gold just dropped 9. All right, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream on Discord every Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4, please just text me your full name and email, and I'll send you the link. Okay, 914-500-7484. Okay? Brother. Nasdaq's got a little bit of a bear flag, but let's just see if we get a little bit more of a push up. And I think you get one more push up on the gold here. You get one more push up on the gold. How is the S&P still up $1 on the day? I just don't get this. I think that's all as well. SK, do you see the Nasdaq making new all-time highs tomorrow? No. Tomorrow, 31,000? That's 1,600 points from here. Not happening. I cancel the gold short if it gets up there. Wow, what a drop. The drop. Right. How can it be done with Papa Trump? Let's see what we're going to do here. Oh, there goes the gold. Gold just dropped from 57 to 45. I thought gold was really great tonight, man. I mean, you have a double. See here, let me watch the big screen, Nick. Okay, you see why I called this short? Okay, you have a negative MACD here. Indicator 4, my algo reversed to buy into the right. When the MACDs are negative above the pivot, you take the short. You look for a pullback to go long. Okay, so it's getting late here. You could have bought the gold here under 44. Nice little bull flag, just ran 3. So again, when indicator 4 reverses to buy with the MACD negative above the pivot, you take the short, you wait for the pullback. Look at the gold. If you had shorted the gold above 56.5, 57, kaboosh down about 13, 14. Again, when the algo reverses to buy, when the MACDs are above the pivot, you wait, you take the short, and then you wait for the pullback, or you just wait for the pullback to go along, okay? Gold just ran 7, right? See? Okay? Oh, I'm exhausted. 14 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to make it. Good Lord. No, I don't think so. Thank you, everybody. What happened? I did it for about 9.5, 10 years. I completed it back in 11, 12. You guys see the new stuff we're coming out with, D-Hall. Oh my God. All right. I think you're right. I think it's better. Hey, gold with AJ. You know what? Better with the lights off. Right? There goes the gold. This gold gets up to the 50, 58, up to 66. I'd short it. NASDAQ gets up to the 520, 525, up to 55. I would short it. S&P's 55 up to 62, 55, 55 and a half to 62. Let's see if you get one more push up. I don't know if you're going to get it. Am I retiring? I don't know. I just turned 44 years in the industry. All right, another bear flag kicking in here. See the pattern, right? You should, when the algo reverses the buy on the gold, you take the short. When the MACD is above the pivot, the algo take the short, wait for the pullback. That's why I was calling the short there. I know. What was the high? The NASDAQ. Beautiful pattern. Jesus. 25. 19. Fucks. All right. We got about 9 minutes. It is Christmas in August. Absolutely. All right, NASDAQ, I would cancel the short. S&Ps, if you're short Diego here, beautiful bear flag. Look to cover 51, 54, 51 and a half, 54 and a half. NASDAQ just got up to 19, just dropped 17. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, my God, 20 on the NASDAQ. Sheesh. I said 20, 25. I don't know what it got up to. Got up to what, 19? Look at this. Oh, my goodness gracious. All right. Again, I want to thank my funded futures. I want to thank Aaron, of course, for every night being here with all of us and getting this thing running. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank Matt Leach. I want to thank Luke. Thank you for my fund of futures. Absolutely. All right, gold just got cabooshed. I canceled the short at 50. I think the high was 44. David, I just told Aaron, you're right. I actually mentioned to him. Oh. Took a fine time to feel. Wow, look at that gold. Cabooshed. Good night, Georgie. God bless you, brother. Have a good night. I'm exhausted, Luke. These gold just hit, what, 57? Jesus, come on. The gold hit here. 57.8. I was 58. You got to be kidding me. Just dropped 9. Again, overbought into the negative MACD. Next! 67,453 on 10 accounts. Get in there. Oh my God, gold just dropped 10. Jesus. Yep, gold just got cabooshed. All right. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up. You guys good? Nothing to do now. Jeff, how'd you do tonight, Jeff? What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
Right?
Yeah, I was up more.
Gotta go every 2 or every $1.80. First time watching Reformed. Nice to meet you. I can't explain my charts. I got 3 minutes to go. If you'd like to text me, I'll help you. 914-500-7484. Okay? Again, we're about to sign off. I don't have time for that right now. All right, gold just dropped 10. You got bear flags here. They're going to get cabooshed. All right, we have non-farm payroll tomorrow. All right, 3 minutes to go. I don't see anything happening. Gold just dropped 11. DL, have a great night, DL. We're done. You see the difference in the NASDAQ versus Asian?
Yeah.
You see how gold last night was dead. Gold was phenomenal tonight. Right? I mean, there are people who make 3 to 4, 5,000 a night in gold. Right? Especially if you have 5 or 10 accounts. Okay, NASDAQ just hit that 19 level, just dropped 30. I told you it was bear flag. S&P is anywhere between the 52 and 53. I would look to cover shorts. All right, everybody, I want to say thank you again from the bottom of my heart for allowing me to be here. Thank you all for joining. Okay, and again, My Fund of Futures is the best prop firm, and I will be around tomorrow from 10:30 to 11:30 on the My Fund of Futures YouTube. I'm really looking forward to that. All right. I want to thank Aaron for being here. General Wobley, General Aaron, right? We gave him the rank of general last night. Good man. Met Aaron through the Discord about 9 months ago. Baby goat, salute the general. That's it. All right. That's right, baby. American flag all the way, blah, blah. And again, just, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Kind of miffed at the fact how the market is really not participating here in a way. How the market's really not participating in a way that reflects Sandus' earnings. All right, everybody, it's 10 o'clock. Do you know where your children are? Okay, have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be well.
Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist.